Track your employees' computer activity and productivity with this software. Hi, my name is Angel. I'm from wolfeye.de, and in this video I would like to talk about this, how you can track the productivity and the activity of your employees using this software, Wolfeye Remote Screen. So you are a business owner, mm, you have employees that use computers, maybe work in home office, and you first of all you need to monitor their activity, what they do, what they are spending their time with, and also their productivity, which employees um, are more productive. There are some employees there that are more productive in one kind of task. Other employees may have more fun in other kind of tasks. So you can allocate your employees, your resources better if you have the possibility to take a look and to track the computer activity of your employees. And so the software that will help you to achieve that is the software Wolfeye Remote Screen that you can download from wolfeye.de. For free, basically. Within a trial period, you can go to our website, wolfeye.de, and download and use it for free within a trial period. And should you use more days to test, just write us an email. That should not be any problem. So what does it do? Wolfeye Remote Screen, you install it on the target machine, so on the computer of your employee that you want to monitor. There you do install it. And the moment you install it, Wolfeye Remote Screen will allow you to see the computer live screen of that computer remotely without the user noticing anything. And how will you be able to see it? Well, the software creates a URL, a link, so you will see it in the browser visiting a URL. And that's what I would like to demonstrate to you right now. So let's open the computer, and this is how it looks like. So that's the software. When you double click the application after downloading it, this is the control window of the software that appears. So this software, you do install it on the computer of your employee that you want to monitor. And the first thing you do to install the software is you hit the green button that says share screen. Yeah. And after that, you have to hit the blue button that says hide plus win startup. That button will put the application into stealth mode and hide the application. But let's first start with the green button. That's what you have first to click. So I click it. The moment you click it, it creates a URL, a link, and it's already sharing the computer screen of this computer. So you are seeing my personal computer, and I have clicked on that green button. And so on this link, I can open that link on any browser, and you will see my computer screen, my live screen, so to speak. So if you have this, if you open this link, for example, on your smartphone also, your smartphone has a browser too, you will see the live computer screen of the computer of your employee of this computer on your smartphone. Or if you open the link on another remote computer or another laptop, you will see the live screen on that laptop remotely over the internet, so to speak. And to show it to you, the software also has a second button that says Open URL. You will never use this button because that button just opens the browser. If I hit it, it opens the browser, you see, and it opens the browser window. I make it big, and so you will see the computer live screen of my computer. It's a little strange because I'm monitoring the computer that I am. I'm looking at the computer that I'm at the same time monitoring, where Wolfeye is running. So that's why it looks so strange. So it updates every 3 seconds the screen, yeah. And because this link is very crypted, you also have this gray button that says email URL. You hit it, enter your email address, and then this link will be sent to your email. So you do not have to, so you have it in your email inbox and can just click it right away from your email. And lastly, of course, I already mentioned it, you want the software to hide. That's why you hit this button, hide plus Windows startup, and to start whenever the system, the Windows is restarted, you hit it and the software goes into stealth mode, but also hides itself, it disappears, so to speak, but continues to run in the background, allowing you to see, sharing the screen, allowing you to see the live computer screen. So basically that's it. So one note, as an employer, before you use and test and install the software, please take legal advice and make sure if you are allowed in your country and in your situation and for your specific needs to install this kind of software, to install this, to do this. Um, Only then you are allowed to use this software. We do not give legal advice because depending on the country you're operating and depending on your situation, um, you might have also, for example, to adjust the contracts of your employees, to adjust maybe the login the Windows login window. Before they log in, you might have to adjust it so that before the employee logs into the computer, he has to adhere to the conditions that he might be monitored and so forth. We do not give legal advice, but take advice from your lawyer before you install this kind of software. That's what I want to say. And the second I want to say, Wolfeye Remote Screen, well, it allows you to hiddenly, to stealthily monitor a remote computer. So it basically it works like a spying tool. And that's why antivirus software, they detect this software. And for that reason, it is important that before you download this software, that you first select the correct select the correct installation folder where you plan to run Wolfeye from. That's important because it's a special folder. And second, you have to put that folder into the exception list of your antivirus program so that your antivirus continues to run, but excludes that folder from the scans. And because this is important before you download the software, we have made a tutorial here. You click on tutorial and you can read the whole tutorial. Everything is explained. And for those of you that don't like to read, at least before you download the software, at least watch this 9 minutes tutorial video. It's just 9 minutes long, and it will show you exactly how to do it. If you have any questions or need help setting up the software, please contact us. You will find all the contact information. Best is if you contact us per email or write us a WhatsApp. You find the WhatsApp here, the email here. And go to our website, wolfeye.de, and you will find all information. And also, if you would like to schedule a Google Meet session with us, in a Google Meet, we have the possibility to talk to each other. You can ask all the questions that you have, and you can even share your screen so that we can guide you through the installation process, which only is going to take 3 to 5 minutes. So I'm happy to hear from you. Have a nice day.